feeling a lot like Christmas here at Dan Design Studio. People over at Overture Filaments were nice enough to send me some free gifts. I have some Christmas red, some silver green, and some silk white. Then we're going to design some Christmas ornaments out of them. So let's jump into SolidWorks and design it. Yeah, I think those came out pretty nice. Let's put the hooks on them. A little hole up here on top, you can just slide them in. So there they are, came out pretty good. Let's go hang them on the tree. One thing about this design is once you hang it on the tree, you can push a light up in the hole in the bottom and make the whole thing glow. Yeah, that looks nice. Let's try the other one. There's a link to these STL files in the description below. I also have a couple that are blank of each one of them. That way you can customize them to whatever you want. I hope you enjoy these, and Merry Christmas.